Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to create a displacement map in Blender. So first, I'm going to create one plane. I'm going to scale it. For displacement map, we want enough subdivision. We want even enough edges. So go in edit mode, click on this edge, press Ctrl R and type 20. Click here, press Ctrl R and type 20, and go here also press Ctrl R and press 20. So we have like this. We want more edges. So go in modifiers and add subdivision modifiers and type here 4, and now again click on this modifier, select this object first, add modifiers, and go in deform and add displacement modifier. So we have something like this. So click here on new, go in texture properties here and select any black and white image. You can create black and white image in Photoshop. I'm going to select this image, click on this image and open image. So see, and from here you can adjust the depth depthness of our texture of displacement map. I'm going to type 0.09. See this. This is how we can create a displacement map in Blender. See, the light is also reacting to the, this is, light is also reacting to this texture. See, this is how we can create a displacement map in Blender. Very easy way to create a displacement map in Blender. You can also give new material to this object, new color. So this is a easy way to create a displacement map in Blender. Very easy way to create a displacement map in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.